Guys, when I tell you that I film more than one time with the intros, I film more than one time. I'm going to show you a good example of what I mean. Welcome back, Budgie Breeder One here. So today we'll be doing So yeah, that's how just about every video goes. I have to film it more than once, make sure it's perfect, make sure I wouldn't talk too long, make sure I wouldn't talk too short. And then on top of that, with with my camera falling, I thought it was broke. And then it was like slide car to right position. I did not know what that meant. I read the book about 100 times trying to see if it was a deeper meaning to slide car to right position. But thank God for Google, because I had to look on Google to see what happened, and I guess my camera locked the SD card so I couldn't use it, and I was trying to film for hours. So I'm back. Well, it wasn't hours, it was like an hour and some change. Cassie just threw dust in my face. Okay, this is the Budgie Breeding update. I got some old clips of beforehand, and I'm going to show you some clips of them today, so stay tuned. Alright, this is the chicks today. I'm not about to touch them because my hands are ashy and very unphotogenic. Okay guys, so it has been a little over 24 hours, so a day and some change, and he looks way better. When I flip him over, his well, I guess that's his liver, that black spot. It does not look as bad as it did when he was dying, so he's gonna be alright. Okay, so we're gonna start on different chicks. So we're gonna start off on the pairs. So the baby from this one is Dewey and Sherbert. So this is Dewey and Sherbert's chick. This is a male rainbow. He's kind of unique because I've never had one like him before. So yeah, that's their first chick. Right here is their second chick. It's another male. It's a boy as well. And colors are very vibrant for his age. His toe head got caught in my jacket. Now he's chewing up paper. Okay. that's their third chick. He looks like the one that I had before in the last clutch. So he's a male as well, and he is a rainbow as well. This is their first chick of Cashew and Majesties. This is a female one, and this is the one that I will be keeping. So everybody meet Aurora. She is a rainbow. She kind of looks like the second one from Sherbert and Dewey. Okay, so that's Aurora, and she is gonna be most likely staying with us, and you guys will see her feather up and whatnot. My window is open, so I think that's why they're running. So yeah, that's Aurora. Everybody meet her. This is the second oldest chick. He doesn't have a name. He is a moth rainbow, so just like Cashew, he's a moth, and his colors will come in once he get older, but they won't be like colorful. They'll kind of look dull, but he'll still have like some colors to him. So in this lighting, it doesn't look good for him. So he's very stunning for a moth. I never had one this color, so don't get me wrong on his colors, guys. You guys look. He just wants his feathers to be seen. Look at all the chicks. Okay, so next off, this one is the next oldest. Okay, so this one right here is a female opaline clear wing, and you know Majesty is a clear wing, so she created some clear wings as well. So okay, then we have this one, which is a pied, but it looks like a clear wing as well. I don't know what it was trying to be. I guess it was trying to be a pod and a clear wing at the same time, and so I got a pied clear wing. I'm not sure if that's a real mutation, but that's what it looks like. So yeah, these chicks are really squirming, guys. Okay, so this is Cashew and Majesty slash chick. This is the one that was about to die. This is a violet opaline clear wing. The other one was a sky blue, and it's a female as well. Majesty and Cashew created another clear wing chick. So we have two clear wings. Okay guys, so I don't think I have introduced you to this one yet. This one is Ernie and Cotton's chick. He doesn't have a name, but he will be going to a home. That's how he came about, because somebody wanted one just like this, and so got lucky and got one. And so he is very colorful though, don't get me wrong, and he looks so weird now after looking at all of these. He looks weird, but he's a normal green. He's split opaline, so he's gonna have the opaline in him. His colors are dark green, but if you turn him, he's really latching on to my see, look, he got some beautiful colors too. Little chick. But yeah, that's Ernie and Cotton's chick.